My hardy gardenias leaves are turning yellow this winter. Should I wait till spring to fertilize? What can I do in winter? Irene from YouTube. So gardenia leaves yellow in the winter. Could be a couple of different things. Might have been a wet winter. That's what I'm thinking.
Yep.
Okay, wet winter.
Yep.
I would wait to see what happens, and you can fertilize in the spring.
Right. Do not fertilize in the winter.
Don't fertilize.
You don't want to flush a new growth when you might get a hard freeze, because that's bad.
Yeah, but I bet you there's moisture, and gardenias like to be planted high. So you got to have good drainage.
Good drainage.
Well-drained soil. If not, yellow leaves.
Right.
Yeah, and I'll wait till the spring to fertilize. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.